I've come to visit a company that design, develop and manufacture bolt-in systems to electrify classic cars, and they ship these conversion kits for Minis, Porsches, Land Rover Defenders and even boats all over the world. So if you'd rather zero emissions, reliability and cutting-edge tech for your classic car, Fellten's here in Bristol, England might just float your boat. But before I show you around the facility that's hiding quite a few surprises, I need to make sure that these seamless electric powertrain integrations work well, don't I?
So let's go and have a go in Mr. Bean's Mini. Look at this, it's been fully converted into electric and I haven't driven an original Mini for such a long time, so I'm so excited. Let's go. Oh, it's beautiful in here. Oh, I knew I'd love it. I'm going to want to buy this. So I've got no gears. Oh my word.
So you got forward and reverse and then neutral. That's about it. That's all you need.
I'm so happy. I literally feel like I'm in a go-kart. It doesn't make sense that this is called a car, let alone you can fit 4 people in it. My mum and dad used to have one of these. So creature comforts, what else have we got in here?
It's got a heater.
A heater?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
And it works.
Yeah. Oh, the steering's so heavy, obviously. No power steering.
It is an optional extra.
It sounds amazing. You've still got a whine of the electric motor, haven't you? So you can still hear it. It's amazing, isn't it, the difference power steering makes. You just forget when you don't drive non-assisted cars. Okay, I'll step on it. Whee! It picks up quite quickly, doesn't it?
But let me give you some stats on this beautifully restored Mini. Oh yes, I'm having a lovely day. 0 to 60 in 8 seconds with optional power modes. Range 110 miles, plenty for city driving or short commutes. With original Minis puffing out a whopping 30 to 60 brake horsepower, this electric beast dishes up 1000 brake horsepower. Just kidding, it's 100. That's perfectly quick enough for a baked bean tin. It takes just a day and a half to fully install the electric system. Whip out the engine, pop in the EV conversion kit which consists of the motor, batteries, power electronics, and you've got yourself a reliable, zero emissions, wannabe sunshine powered, awesome little car. I know that there will be some classic car purists watching this and screaming at me right now, but honestly, would you rather spend your time broken down at the side of the road or blasting silently around Britain's beautiful roads with a smile on your face? Well, almost silently. Still hear the road noise, can't you? EV conversions come with a whole host of benefits. And it turns out that many folks that have put this electric conversion kits into their Minis actually use their cars for their daily commute. The Mini conversion system is fully accredited by BMW Mini. In fact, it's partly designed by BMW themselves. Customers can even have the Mini wings, should you want them. But have you noticed something about this Mini? Look a bit familiar to you? Yes, it's actually Mr. Bean's Mini replica. Which is why these roof bars are on top. The boys that run this company and make these conversions possible are Chris and Nick Hazel, fellow YouTubers with the channel Hazelnuts. They restored, converted and brought to life a perfect replica of Mr. Bean's Mini, complete with a sofa on top and a brush and mop to boot. It's at moments like this when I realise there are some serious clever folks out there that actually build stuff, not just mince around on YouTube like me. Now, I can't show you too many top secret goings on, but I will say this. Fellten have designed, developed and about to showcase to the world something pretty special in the world of charging solutions. Subscribe to Tesla Jigsaw and I'll have a video about that coming very soon. There's still plenty I can show you though. Let myself and Jerome show you around.
Here you have a full Porsche 964 G-body system just being tested. So every system that goes away internationally is tested beforehand. So you got the rear battery pack, front battery pack, all the cooling system, and everything is tested again before it's shipped. So you got the accelerator pedal, the lever, and everything is double tested, then it's shipped away. Then you have other applications for other batteries, even boat batteries. So we manufacture and ship boat application battery packs all over the world. We got modules, extravaganza. We've got other system all in boxes, plenty of, again, marine application packs. This is a full Porsche 964 system going abroad. So it all fits in one box and then it's shipped away. Well, you're looking at a marine application battery pack, so it goes in rib boats mainly, and it powers all the new generation of boats that needs to be electric or are required to be electric. Marinas, they are sometimes tired of all, the fumes and the diesel you see on top of the water. So more and more boats are being converted or just built for these customers. They just build boats from scratch being electric. So that's the next generation of marine application for battery packs. So this is 62 kilowatt hour worth of battery. So just one battery pack just powers the boat. Everything is designed and manufactured here. The modules come from abroad, but all the metal work, the engineering, even the powder coating is done here in-house, and we can have a look at it. Another system, we've got mini system over there, and I'll take you in the mini room if you want. This is what you typically see at shows. That's a complete mini system on the table with, as I was telling you earlier, the whole system comes on a pallet, on a subframe, on a brand new subframe, so it's very easy to remove the engine and subframe from the mini and then just install this. And again, it takes about a day to a day and a half to convert the mini. And the motor, all the power electronics are already in, including the battery pack and the secondary battery pack. Everything has been designed here. Most traditional minis will work, classic minis. And the thing is, when this was designed, it was designed with BMW Mini back then. So this is accredited by BMW Mini. It's fully OEM tier 1 level system. We ship this around the world. We've shown it to different events with BMW Mini. Even at the Oxford factory, it was displayed over there with a Mini driving around with no noise. So I was telling you about the battery box for Defender. So they're just building one here. So for low volumes, batteries, battery pack, everything is done in-house. For bigger volume metal folding, we have a local partner also.
What do these do?
They do the ends for the cable. So these bits finish all the individual wires.
I hope you'll agree that companies like Fellten are well worth supporting. They are looking into the future and providing solutions to electrifying beautiful old cars, keeping them alive by providing electric retrofits. So check out Fellten.com for more info, and they even do training courses where you can master EV technology and get yourself certified. Plus, if you want to see what the brothers who started this company get up to in their spare time, you'll find them on YouTube doing crazy stuff like this. Check out Hazelnuts. But if you want to watch something that's spreading a little less positivity in the world, check out the truth behind Consumer Reports' misleading Tesla versus Mercedes comparison. This really does stink. Check it out next. I'm Will, this is the Tesla Jigsaw. Thank you, Patrons. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.